My name is Sarah Dufie Sapon. I'm the head of Health, Safety and Environment for MRC at LSHTM in the Gambia. And against the background of the global shortages of personal protective equipment, PPE, we thought of producing items locally because we realized that all people all over the world were producing same. So when we initially gave it a thought, production of masks was the first thing that came into mind because in our settings, tailors and seamstresses are in abundance, and then cotton, that is wax that mostly being used, are also in abundance as well. We've contracted Fandema Group to produce the masks for us, and later on we got in touch with Facil as well to partner with us to produce. Also, in addition to them, we have partnership with other local seamstresses and tailors in Fajara and in Farafeni to produce for us as well. Our target is to produce a total of 50,000 masks for use across the country, but then again it depends on the situation of the pandemic in the country. So initial agreement we have with them is for each of the companies to produce 2,000 masks for us, and which they are in production already. These masks are not really for use and for high-risk activities such as a nurse or a doctor using it to take care of a COVID patient, but they're for low-risk activities. So, for example, if we have a cleaner going to clean an office and all he needs is a mask to protect him or herself from dust, then they can use those ones. And that, in doing so, we take pressure off surgical masks which are needed for clinical activities. We intend to use them in our labs in cases where we are handling inactivated samples, for example, where the risk of having respiration infection is very low, but they're going to use it just for protect themselves against person-to-person transmission in the lab, in cases where there are a lot of people in the lab. So we'll use them in cases like that. Another example that we are in discussion, we've not come to conclusion, is to use them in the community. We want to give what we call care package to communities, and the idea is to give them some of the masks and then and instructions on how to produce soap, for instance, and disinfectants, and for them to take care of themselves in the community in cases where the hospitals are filled.
I'm a trainer in Fandema Women Development Center. Okay, we are the one producing this nose mask for the community. First of all, when we come in the morning, we clean everywhere before starting the work. Yes. In the morning, we start measurement. The measurement we take is 18 by 22. That's what we use to measure. Then after we cut it, when we cut it, we give it to the sewing guards to sew it.
I'm washing the face mask. After sewing there, I bring it here to the machine, washing machine. I put it inside. I make it 30 minutes. When I on it the machine, I make it 30 minutes for wash. After washing, I take it out. I put it. We have a dryer outside there. I go there. We put it there until 1 hour. It's dry. We collect it. We go to inside. We have a ironing. After that, we iron it all. After we iron it, we packet it. Yes.
Lu ñuy liggéey MRC kontaan nañ ci torop because ñu ngi liggéey pour dimbale suñ brothers and sisters.
So this is basically part of our preparedness towards the COVID-19 pandemic.